Also this noontime, it is a day to take it easy out there if you can. The Rhode Island Department of Environmental Management issued an air quality alert for today. There is a high level of ozone in the air as we take a live look over Providence. Most RIPTA buses are free to encourage you to keep the cars at home. And the high temperatures could come close to the record for today. We want to check in now with meteorologist Michelle Muscatello to see how long these conditions will last. Michelle?
Well, Danielle, we have another few days of this today and tomorrow especially. We're looking at highs in the lower 90s. In fact, we'll take a look at that air quality alert. It includes all of Rhode Island and the southern sections around Buzzards Bay of southeastern Massachusetts out to the Cape and the islands. And it's from 11 this morning until 11 o'clock tonight. And we have another one issued for tomorrow. Look at what it feels like to your body outside right now. I want to go back to that heat index map because with the temperatures combined with the ultra high humidity, the heat index right now in Providence is at 97 degrees. That's what you need to prepare for if you're outside right now. The actual air temperature, well, it's still in the upper 80s. It's 89 in Providence. Newport's at 81, much cooler. Westerly at about 78 degrees. The record for today, 94. We'll come close to it later this afternoon. I'll have more details. Plus, there could be a thunderstorm around later this afternoon. The very latest in my future cast ahead.